Hello everyone. So today we'll see how one of our students has made $30,000 in 2 days. So this was on the first account, $15,000, and on the second account, it was $13,000. All his trades were on the EuroGPY. So this is the EuroGPY chart. He took the short position from this level right here. So let's understand and let's break down how he took this trade. So right here, this was the chart. And right here, as you can see, we have this L movement right here, and we have discussed this many times. If we have L movement in this way, so where we can find our fractal, we can find it right here as the worst stress model. So then how we'll scale our fractal? We have this L movement that will cover this one right here. So we'll fit the reference points together. In this way, you need to have a process, a clear process how you can do it every time. So the high with the high, the low with the low. And what we get right here, we need just to fit exactly. So everything fits together. So what we get a short position from this level right here. And where we'll put our take profit, it will be right here. So this was the trade, short position on the 15-minute on EuroGPY. So next, what we can see right here, that on the way to the take a profit, the price has developed the TCW model. And I has mentioned this on the VIP group. I said that you can take your profit at this area because the price hits the take a profit right here. And also I said that there is a probability of a TCW model that we can use right here to take the long position also. So right here on the chart, the price hit the take profit. And then what we get right here, we get a TCW model. And we can use it, as we have explained it many times before, to target the high of the mother wave right here. So you don't need to check the 1 hour or the 13 or the 3 hours time frame or the 4 hours time frame to get swing trade. Even on the 15-minute, you can do it. It's doable. So it's not very hard. It's just an understanding of how we find the fractals. If we have, for example, like this wave right here, 38%. And right here, if we have a rejection from 1.6 or 2.6, what does this mean? Then, of course, you will find different models. Right here, we have the worst stress model. Right here, we have the TCW model. And of course, on lower time frames, we can find endless fractals. So try to review all the videos on the YouTube video. Try to check them. If you want to learn more in details, you can contact our support on Telegram.